Hey YouTube, what we're going to do today is we got a special project. We're going to do a Christmas gift for someone I know. This is going to be a Raiders themed boombox. He doesn't know it that it's coming, but it's coming. And what we're going to do is 2.4 Neo drivers. They're somewhat of a full range up to 10K, and then a passive radiator. Come here. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna mount the 4-inch drivers in the back and do roundovers, but this one doesn't look like I'm gonna be able to do that. It won't look, I can, but it won't look as good. So we're gonna flush mount it. This is an 1/8 of an inch thick. I don't have the router bit to go and do that, you know, cleanly. I guess traditionally wise, I think it's called a Rabbet cut. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go and through here, I'm gonna go 1/8 of an inch deep, and at its furthest point you got to go 1 over. I think it's 7 inches. It's like 6 point some. It's 6 point, like very close to 7. So a 7 will allow it to flush mount. We're gonna do 7 around with that little bit of a bite to it, that 1/8 of an inch just down, and go around it 1, 2, 3, and then find where I need to make my hole, and that's gonna create my flush mount. So I found where I need to be as far as depth. So I went here, and I don't know if you can angle through and check that out. Son, can you stand over there? There you go. No, so that you can see it through here. Right there. Jeez Louise. So that's about right. And we're gonna go through, like I said, this is 7 inches across. Here's my little template that I did. So it's a little too big. We're gonna start at 7. All right, we're done with creating that flush mount, and here's how it looks. Now the idea would be to go ahead and make the hole. I just have to figure out now what depth. So what I did on this jig is I started off at 7, because that's the one step up of the largest diameter of the passive radiator or speaker, whatever it is that you're doing. And then from there you move, let's see here, I moved 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So every 6th hole in, you're gonna go 6, 6, and then so on and so forth. And that's how you that's a good width, because you're gonna go in, like I did 3 rounds total, 1, 2, 3, and then my 4th one is gonna be the actual cut. All right, I did my flush mount. I cut my hole. I did 5/8 cut, 5 inches and 5/8. And I cleaned it. I thought I cleaned it up. So that's how it looks. That's how it came out. Let's see. Hopefully it fits. Yes. Oh my God, that's a beautiful thing. And that's it's where it is. It's not that much of a flush, is it? Oh well, it'll do. So one thing, after you do your cut, because after you make your hole, there's nowhere that you can have the Jasper jig hold on to. So in other words, you only have one shot to get it right, and if you don't get it right, well, you messed up, Aaron. But it's all good. That's good enough. The nice thing is that I'm not charging for this one. This one is going to be a gift, like I said. This one's going to be Raiders themed. My amp board finally came in. He wanted to be able to control the high, the bass, and the treble, and that's what I'm going to do. The passive radiator is going to look like there's a sub, but it's a passive radiator. This is actually way bigger than the 4-inch drivers that are going to go here and here. All right, keep going. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
3, 2, 1.
I am already recording.
Can you say that so that I know that?
I just started.
Can you?